Hi guys, so if you are outside in your gardens enjoying the sunshine at some point this week, then I've got some mindful movement ideas for you. So I have raised beds, they're about a couple of foot high. If you have something higher it will be a little kinder. Bear in mind that I'm 5'3" on a good day. Okay, so you can go for this. Again, this is quite low, but you can go for a plank at the very least, working on your core stability. Go wide if you prefer, lower. Try not to drop that chin. Keep the neck long. Just challenge yourself. Exhale for effort, remember. So 5 to 8 of these. Yes, we do love press-ups. And then, because my wall is quite low, I'm going to kneel, outstretch one leg, and allow myself a side bend. So these are really nice ways to stretch out to counteract any gardening movement which can sometimes go into the back and the hamstrings from all that bending forwards. If your knees will allow while you're gardening, do squat or sit on the ground rather than bend forwards, curving your spine. And then allow yourself a diagonal line here. Go for a oblique twist and a little bit of a look up to the sun, and again. So 5 to 8 of those would be brilliant. Keep breathing. Lovely. And just to strengthen up the back of the arms, you know these ones. Gently sit on a chair, nice stable surface, and allow yourself to drop and lift. If you want to make it harder, straighten the legs, rest your weight on the heels, and press up. Try not to lift the shoulders to the ears, so space between shoulders and ears. Oh, that one's hard today. 5 to 8 of those. Good. I'm going to sit down in between if you need. And anything else that you feel that you need to counteract any overwork in the garden, because I don't know about you, but I'm playing catch up now the sun's come back. I hope you have a lovely week, and feel free to let me know if you have any favourite movements to do whilst you're in the garden.